reversals at 6 and or 12. I don't know, but let's start with, I guess, if I'm in clockwise, you'd be in anti-clockwise. And then when you get to the bottom, just reverse back into the in spin and then the anti-spin to the in spin, reversing between the two. Right, so anti-spin, get to 6, reverse to in spin, reverse to anti-spin, reverse to in spin, reverse to anti-spin, reverse to in spin, reverse to anti-spin, reverse to in spin. Let's do from the top to the top. So circle around, anti-spin around, circle around, anti-spin around, circle around, anti-spin, 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 circle around, anti-spin.